What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So I've been on the hunt for the perfect AI tool or AI generator for my faceless channels for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And I've done a lot of research and I found something better than InVideo. Now, InVideo is probably a program that you've used or you've at least heard about it. Now, InVideo is great. I've used the free version of that, and maybe I need to subscribe to it to kind of dive in a little bit more, but it pieces together stock photos, and it kind of also pieces together the music awkwardly. So it just didn't work for me. So for my content, I really can't use stock photos. I needed some type of AI generator to generate the images for me. And I found a program called CopyCopter that seems to be perfect for what I need it for my faceless channels. All right, so I put the link to CopyCopter in the description below. So if you want to click on that and follow along, that's great. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration of what I've done just by signing up, and it has like a little free version. Before you subscribe, it does allow you to create a couple of videos, and that's exactly what I did. And I fell in love with this. Now it has so many features and capabilities that I can't go over because because I created my 2 videos already. I can't really explore much more, but let me show you what I do know and what I have found. So as soon as you log in and you create your account, you're gonna click New Video, and it gives you a few options here. You can create it with ChatGPT, article, text, research, article, URL, an example, and then your script, and then you type in your parameters. Whatever you want your story, your video to be about, you type in the prompt, and then you create the script. It creates the script for you, and then it goes ahead and it creates the images and the voiceover, and it just comes out, I think, pretty amazing. But let me disclaim this, that AI is not amazing yet with the generations of their images. For instance, I used a couple of Bible examples, and the clothes that they're wearing, they're not really exact with the time, right? It looks like some of the characters are wearing belts and sneakers and shoes. So so they're not exact with the time, but for what it is, it's pretty good for what it is. And that's what I have to say. So let's just pop on here. And I can't create anything else because I've already exceeded my maximum amount of projects that I can create. So let me go to let's go to my projects. And I'm going to click on this first video, which is the story of Noah. I asked it to create a short for me, about a minute long, and it came out pretty good. So let me just press play. I'm going to just let you hear a quick example.
In ancient times, humanity's wickedness grieved the heart of God. He decided to cleanse the earth with a great flood. God chose Noah, a righteous man, to build an ark to save his family and 2 of every kind of animal.
Okay, so again, the images are here. And now let me see if I can scroll through here, and then you can see some of the images that are popping up on your screen. Yep, there's the ark, so, and there's Mount Ararat. So it did a pretty good job, but it does tell the story well. While the images aren't fantastic, it tells the story, and they're engaging images, and the narrator's engaging, the voice is engaging, and that's exactly the point of a short, right, or a reel, is you want to keep your audience engaged. And for my faceless YouTube channels, I think these are going to do really, really well. So I am going to play around with this a little more. Again, you can modify the text, the size, the color of the text, the captions, the voice you could change. You can add music to these. When I added them to my YouTube channel, as a short, I added the music that's on YouTube. So I did not use these, but you can use these. Overlays, there's motion that you can add to the images. So lots of different options here. And let's go to billing. Yeah, so it looks like there's a special going on. So it's 30% off right now, and I don't know when this is going to end. So hobby is $13 a month if you pay yearly, and then, which isn't too bad. All right. And I think it gives you 50 credits, which I believe is 20 videos. All right. 200 credits. This is the one that I'm probably going to opt in. to get, just because I'm going to be creating a lot of content this month. So, but again, if this works for you, awesome. I don't know if there's a return policy or or free trial. There's no free trial, I know that, but I don't know, if you can return it or ask for a refund if you don't like the software. I don't know. So that's something, if you want to contact them, you can, contact support. But for me, I've already uploaded these 2 videos to my YouTube channel, and tomorrow I'm going to just, I guess, check the progress and see if anyone's been clicking on them. And if I'm getting a lot of views on these, then I'm going to go ahead and purchase the software, and then I'm going to continue using it. So again, it is called CopyCopter, and again, the link is in the description below. And once again, there's a 30% discount, and I don't know when that sale is going to end. But yeah, check it out, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much.